Hi, I'm Assistant District Attorney Leo Aaron, and I serve the people of Jefferson Parish in the Felony Trials Unit. In Jefferson Parish, we are focused not only on achieving justice in the courtroom, but also on using the resources with which we have been blessed to globally improve our criminal justice system. One of the mechanisms by which we do this is targeted legislation. One bill I would like to talk to you about today is House Bill 146, which became Act 246 when our governor signed it into law. This bill fixes a technical but important issue with Louisiana's habitual offender law so as to facilitate the prosecution of violent career criminals. Louisiana's habitual offender law, which prosecutors have the discretion to use in appropriate cases, provides enhanced penalties for repeat offenders based on their previous convictions. One of the elements of this law is a cleansing period, which provides that after a certain amount of time after an offender completes his or her sentence for a previous conviction, that previous conviction can no longer be used to enhance an offender's penalties for a new crime. In 2017, the Louisiana legislature amended the cleansing period in Louisiana's habitual offender law to provide for a 10-year cleansing period for violent crimes and sex crimes, and to provide for a 5-year cleansing period for other crimes. However, due to an issue with the drafting of the law, the courts interpreted the 2017 language such that even if the offender's current crime is a violent crime or a sex crime, if the offender's previous crime is not also a violent crime or a sex crime, the cleansing period is only 5 years rather than 10 years. This led to problematic situations in which, despite an offender's current crime being a serious violent crime involving serious harm to the citizens of our state, and despite that offender having a criminal history, we were hamstrung in our ability to punish that offender as a violent career criminal. This act fixes that drafting issue and provides that if either the offender's current crime or the offender's previous crime is a violent crime or a sex crime, the cleansing period is 10 years rather than 5 years. This facilitates our ability to vigorously prosecute violent career criminals while retaining a more rehabilitative focus on offenders who are truly non-violent. We would like to thank all of the hardworking men and women at our legislature. Special thanks go out to Representative and retired Sheriff Jeff Wiley for putting forth this bill for us, and to Senator Rick Edmonds for his assistance when this bill reached the Senate. Thank you for watching, and we are all honored to serve you.